Greetings, Chemistry 3102. This is just a quick video announcement to let you know where things stand at this point. So, as far as the KD lab goes, you've all completed the KD lab wet lab experiment last week, and I sent out an announcement earlier about submitting that lab, so I'm going to ask that you all submit your post lab as a PDF and you submit that to Canvas. If you're unsure about how to do that, see my previous announcement about that on Canvas. So I'll be expecting that by Friday of this week. Then what we're going to do is we're going to work on Technique N, which is proton nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy and carbon NMR as well. And I was supposed to do the lab lecture this Friday in class, but I don't think I'm going to have time to have the video lecture put together. So I will work on that over spring break, and I'll let you know as soon as that becomes available. Based on that, the last two dry labs that you have to submit will be the NMR worksheet and then the combined spectroscopy worksheet. So far, I'm looking at a due date for both of those dry labs to be April 20th. So that's what I'm thinking right now. That could change in the future, but right now I'm thinking that April 20th we will be submitting both the NMR worksheet and the combined spectroscopy worksheet. Again, these will be submitted as PDFs to Canvas, and I will provide a link for you to be able to submit those. For sapling, I've had some questions about sapling, so I would like you to complete the sapling for week 9 for the KD lab, or sorry, for the alkyl halide lab. I would like you to complete that by March 22nd. So I know that we didn't get a chance to do the wet lab, but you did do the lab lecture, and we did cover the theory in 3101. So I would like you to complete that by March 22nd. As far as the sapling assignments for week 11 and week 13 go, I'm going to cancel both of those. So don't worry about the sapling assignments for week 11 or week 13. However, the sapling assignment for week 12 will stand. The only thing that changes with that sapling assignment will be the due date. So I've pushed the due date for the week 12 sapling assignment ahead to April 19th. It was April 12th, but now it's April 19th. So where we stand right now is that we've covered all of the major techniques that you need to learn in Chemistry 3101 except for NMR spectroscopy. So we've already covered TLC, refractive index, boiling points, melting points, what else? Recrystallization, extraction. So we've covered all the techniques that you would need to carry into Chemistry 3112, which is the Organic Chemistry 2 lab. The only thing we haven't covered is NMR spectroscopy. And this is a major concept that you have to master before moving on into organic chemistry. So I'm going to do my best to upload videos that will hopefully clearly explain this, and I'm going to do those probably in 3101, but the same NMR applies to Chemistry 3102, obviously. So look for an announcement about that in the future, and just hang tight, and again, make sure you do the sapling for week 9 by March 22nd. And make sure you get your KD lab scanned in as a PDF, submit that ASAP. And then finally for NMR, I'm going to try to post some videos about that and give you some more feedback about that in the future. All right, take care.